We're here for my brother's wedding at Alila Uluwatu, and we're in Bali this time round, so we're all super excited. Let's go! Vicky, say hi!
Okay, I want a drink. You wanna try?
I'm gonna eat. I'm so hungry. Yeah, eat first. Try it, guys. Cheers with all of us. Cheers. Mimi, hold this and look at yourself. So cute, yeah? Bye bye. High five the camera. High five. Okay. We just had lunch and we're gonna go back to the hotel. Wow, this is like Zed's house. So pretty, and that's the sea. And this is the lounging area. So freaking pretty. To the villa. We're just gonna gather here and have dinner. This bread. Good morning! We're gonna go get breakfast. Waking up to this view is amazing, and I'm in Urbanize, their new toga top and shorts. It's in this like electric blue color, and the view. And we're setting up the tentage for tonight. Gonna go get breakfast first. Where is my breakfast? This is my breakfast for today. Chocolate pancake. Oh my god, this is like a matcha croissant. Then we have the seasonal fruits, coffee, and this little tea. Let's look at the view. I just can't get over this, man. I want to go down. I don't have time because I need to do my makeup, and then we're gonna go for the photo shoot. Let's go! Okay, we're getting ready for my brother's wedding, and now it's 12 p.m. We're gonna go for the photo shoot at 12:30. Gonna dry my hair. I did my face and makeup video on TikTok, so you guys go follow me on my TikTok. But right now I'm just gonna dry my hair real quick. I'm done. Okay. Come, baby also. Baby, come here. Here. Excited for our brother's wedding! Woo! So we're going to my uncle's villa. It's right here, next door. You know you always need your vitamin C because your girl is weak AF and I don't want to be weak AF as well. Wow, look! It's Auntie Lynette! Wow! Oh, wow! Change of outfit. Okay, we're going to the ceremony place. Let's get filming. Oh, very nice.
Congrats at Bali Wedding to you and Italy.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Yay! Say something, say something. Congrats, Emma. You're happy?
Yes.
Congratulations, Coco. Say something to Emma and Evelyn.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. You also.
Congratulations.
Everyone say hi. Hello. Say something to Emma.
Hello. 恭喜恭喜。
Say something to Juju and Auntie Lin. Congrats, Auntie Lin, Juju. 1, 2, 3, go.
Congrats, Auntie Lin 姐姐
Juju.
and Juju for being married. And I hope you have a great living future ahead.
Oh,
Congrats, Auntie Lin and Juju.
yay. Peace. Heart shape. Okay.
Daddy, walk this side. Mickey, walk this side.
Okay, now we have bride's family.
Okay, cheers. Cheers.
Look there, look there, look there.
Come in, come in. Cheers.
Congrats, Edmund.
I'm pretty sure every one of you in the room can keep up this energy, okay?
Yes.
So, this is my first time in Bali, and thanks to Edmund and Evelyn. And I'm sure every one of you are here for them because to celebrate the love. With your greatest cheer and your greatest applause, to welcome our newlywed, Mr. and Mrs. Tan. I just want to, on behalf of all the guests, I just want to thank you for you guys to invite us to come here and celebrate the great moment with you guys. And I assume like both of them has prepared a lot of good food, a very good bar, and also good bartender, and also good music, and also good friends and family. May we first invite the bride and the groom and also the family to come out to kick off the dinner. So tonight we'll have a buffet which is composed of like Bali food and all those kind of delicious food. So So let's count to 3 together, okay? Everyone ready? Everyone with your glass off. Everyone with your glass off. Where's your glass? Show me your glass.
Okay. I bring it.
Uncle, where's your glass?
Where's your glass?
You came to my table and asked me where's my glass. Now I'm asking you where's the glass, okay? Okay, everyone with your glass on. So let's just count 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So after we pour the drink, so everyone make sure you hold your drink, and then we'll say yes together, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. I can't hold it anymore. To a happy marriage to Mr. and Mrs. And thank you so much for having me. And cheers.
Mickey. Oh, Mickey is here.
Oh, hello Mickey.
My goggles, like my face goggles.
Okay, careful everyone. Finally drinking coffee. So the whole family, we are staying in this villa. Looks super duper cute. Look at this. We're at Potato Hut! Come! Hey! Been such a noisy morning, and we're gonna go see the doctor again. Multiple times I've been going to the doctors these 2 months. Getting worse. Yeah, very swollen. Going to Revolver Coffee again because the girl needs some coffee muffy. A coffee here. Spot check. Okay, let's go. Start from here. Now go. Ho. Hello. Say Amma hello.
This is go to the Mimi.
Okay, maybe you go and you turn and say hi to everybody. Go. Hello, Amma. Hello.
Drink 1, drink 2, and drink 1, and I drink 1, right? Okay. Yeah.
5, 7.
We are going for breakfast. Oh, this is so good. Signature, and then it's